Hello, Hayes High parents and families. This is Marie Henderson. I'm the Instructional Technology Specialist for Hayes Public Schools, and in this video we're going to look at the Canvas Parent app where I am currently logged in as an observer, and I'm using the demo account that I've created for a student so that you can see how to access different content in the Canvas Parent app to help your child be successful at Hayes High School with Canvas. I'm on the main screen of the app, and I can tap on any course to open it and dig further into the course. I can also tap here at the top on the drop down to access a different student if I have more than one student in Hayes Public Schools, or to add an additional student, and you can get a pairing code from your child or your child's teacher if you want to become an observer of an additional student at Hayes High School or Hayes Middle. And so I'm going to tap here to open one of these courses, and the first thing I come to is my students' list of current assignments for that course. And I can see here that some of them are submitted and some of them are not. Notice the green submitted there on example assignment 1 versus on example assignment 2 where it says not submitted. And if you tap to open an assignment, you can actually learn more about the assignment. If you want to add a date and time to your calendar to be notified, you can do so by toggling on the switch there. If we back out of that, the other tab in this menu is front page. And so if we go over there, this is the format that you'll see for every Canvas course at Hayes High School. All of them have 3 buttons like this with the agenda, resources, and course and teacher information page. The agenda is where students will spend the bulk of their time. It tells them what's due in a course. It tells them what they'll be doing in a class on a given day and what will be due on upcoming days of class. The resources page includes information that the teacher has decided to share, maybe tutorials or additional resources for a chapter or a unit that they're working on in class. The teacher has freedom to share content on that page that helps your child be successful in the course. On the course and teacher information page, you'll find more information about your child's teacher as well as the course itself, possibly the syllabus or other documentation you need to know about the course in which your child is enrolled. And so if we tap on this agenda page, it's pretty small here on your phone, but once it loads, we'll see that there are 4 columns to the agenda page at Hayes High School. The first column is the date, the second column what's due today in the class, then what's happening today in the class, which usually has information about what will be done during that day in class, and then the last column, what's due next, where you'll see assignments that are due the next time the child attends class. You'll notice that typically the agenda will include 2 days in a row that are identical. Due to the block schedule, the teacher will do the same thing with their Maroon Day class, and then also the next day, of course, with their Gold Day classes. And so if we tap on one of these example assignments, I'll show you a couple of things to look for here. We can see that this assignment has been submitted, and you're ready there to view feedback. And so if you tap on view feedback, you can see a comment from your child's teacher. Once you're finished with an assignment, if you tap the back arrow at the bottom left, you'll be back at the agenda, and you can tap to open, for example, another assignment. This one you can see is in progress, and the student's next step is to submit that. And so to get back out of this portion of the course, you can at any time tap done in the top left corner, which takes you back to the front page. And if you tap the back arrow in the top left, you can get back to other classes in which your child's enrolled. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.